How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day as always. Today's video, mail time. Yes sir, I should have already done this, so let's get to it. Now who this is from? It's from Brian over at Fab Automotive Detailing. He sent me this box of goodies. And no, it's not John Deere products, whatever it looks like. It's not John Deere. They've already got it open. But anyhow, he had a small little contest going on his YouTube channel, to where if you mention the product's names in the description, it automatically entered you or gave you an entry into the giveaway. And then I was lucky enough to be the winner. So I've already got it pre-opened, as you can see, but I have not taken anything out. But let's get to it and see what all's in it. Now I gotta put on these old CNI dogs to do this so that I can get it right. Hello. But here we go. Paper. Cooper's gonna like that, ain't she, Coop? Very well packaged. Box in a box. That's always fun. Let's pull that box out. And more paper. Appreciate you packaging it so well. But there's the box. Nice little designer box. I like that. They got their little label on there. But here we go. Here's what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box?
Show you with the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
Open it up. There you go. Got one of their Hydro Silex decals for the window, for a toolbox, for whatever you like to put them on. I have a stack of decals and stickers that thick easily. I got to figure out something to do with them. I really do. Hydro Silex applicator. Pretty nice little sponge. Got a nice hard plastic handle to grip it by, and even a little hook to hang it on. Applicator pad. Then you've got Hydro Silex Slick, right? You've got Hydro Silex Recharge. Hydro Silex Silica Soap. Hydro Silex Rewind. Lots of confetti for Cooper to play with. Look at that, Coop. What you think? And down in the bottom you have a sprayer. That's a neat little sprayer. I like that. That's pretty neat. Safety for grown-ups. Got that. Like I said, lots of confetti. Another sprayer. Microfiber towel, 2 of them to be exact. Uh-oh, here he comes. He's seen it. Man, this microfiber grabs good. Now I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna take me a little while before I can use this stuff because the weather has changed. It's cold outside. Stuff won't dry here, cure like it should, because I do not have a garage. So it will take some time to get this product used and on the car, but I will be certain, edgeless too. Edgeless is always best because I always use polyester string or sewing thread to seal the edges. That's never good. Polyester does not work good with cars. And as you can see, that's it. What do you think, dude? Yep, he likes it. I'm gonna have to keep that away from him. He'll be trying to eat. But there you go. That's what's in the box from Fab Automotive Detailing. Like I said, it's going to take me a little while to... What? To use this. Hey, buddy, you want to get on camera too? Told you, he likes it. This is my bestest buddy in the whole world, ain't you? Hmm? Good boy. You going to check it out? But the Hydro Silex Rewind is their wax and grease remover. So whenever you're coating a car or starting off a new paint correction, you always want to get the old wax off, any old grease off. So here's their version of it. Then you have the Hydrosolic Slick, which is their tire shine. Kind of looks like, I don't know if that's actually the color of the product in there, or if that's the color of the bottle. But yeah, the tire shine, kind of, that color reminds me of Ammo's Mud. If you've never used it, it's about that color. But that's their tire shine. Then you have the Recharge, which is their ceramic coating, right? And any of you know, or that has followed my channel for any length of time, know that I have not tried anything ceramic. And the reason for that is, number one, I'm not sold on it 100%. And number two, I don't have anywhere where I can park my vehicle to be out of the elements for 24-hour cure time. So I have not tried anything ceramic or ceramic based. And then you have the Hydrosolic Silica Soap, which is what you put on after you put on the ceramic coating to clean it, right? You don't want to use Dawn or anything like that. You want to use products specially made for ceramic coatings. And then again, there's the applicator. I knew you'd like that paper. And then, like I said, the 2 spray bottles. And I'm sorry, I'm mumbling, I'm fumbling, but I'm trying to get him happy too, because he loves paper like this. Here you go, Coop. He'll play with that for a month, laying on it here. What you got, buddy? But anyhow, I'd like to thank Fab Automotive Detailing for sending this to me. I will get it used. I will get it on the car. Just got to find out time. Got to get these put up somewhere too, and I have no clue where I'm going to do it. But I'd like to thank the people that sent this to Brian so he could send it offer it as a giveaway. I'll get it out in a minute. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Go check out Brian, Fab Automotive's detailing channel. Lots of great tips. Really cool guy, really cool family. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Now, if you made it to the video this far, I greatly appreciate it. I really thank each and every one of you for stopping by and always watching. Of course, that means so much. It means you're actually halfway interested in something my crazy butt has to say. But I wanted to put this at the end for my true subscribers, my true followers, my true watchers. They'll watch the whole thing, because, you know, it just shows that you aren't here just to make a comment and leave, go somewhere else. And that's also greatly appreciated. But which vehicle, and this is for you guys and gals, which vehicle would you like to see the Hydrosolics on? The black one or the red one? And whenever I get the chance, whenever I get the time, I'll put it on there. Which one would you guys and gals like to see it on? Leave a comment below. Thanks. What you got there, Cooper? What you got, buddy? It's funny what will make an animal or pet happy. He will have so much fun with his paper, it's unbelievable. He loves laying on it, playing on it, and everything else. Don't you, Coop? Good boy.